I'm going to show you how to create an account on Coinmarketcap. So to get started, you have to go to coinmarketcap.com, then click on the first link, and then once you're there, you have to go to the three dash on the upper right, then go to create an account. Once you're in there, you have options to choose to Google, Apple, Binance, or Wallet. After that, I'm going to use Google. And then you have to click on your account and then continue. After that, you'll be redirected to the CoinMarketCap homepage, and now you have created your account. Go to profile setting to check your account, and that's it.